Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely opening your laptop and applying the thermal paste. First, power down your HP 15-DA031NS and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery by sliding the release latch and lifting it out. This step is crucial to prevent any electrical damage while you work. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the clips that hold the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the CPU and GPU, which are typically covered by a heatsink. To access these components, you will need to remove the screws securing the heatsink. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. Once the heatsink is free, carefully lift it off. You may notice old thermal paste on the CPU and GPU. This needs to be cleaned off thoroughly. Use isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth to gently wipe away the old paste. Ensure that both surfaces are clean and free of any residue. Now it's time to apply the new thermal paste. Squeeze a small amount of thermal paste onto the center of the CPU and GPU. A pea-sized amount is sufficient. Too much can lead to overheating. When you reattach the heatsink, it will spread the paste evenly across the surface. Before securing the heatsink back in place, remember to check for any dust or debris inside the laptop. A can of compressed air can be useful for cleaning out any buildup. This will help improve airflow and cooling efficiency. Once everything is clean, carefully place the heatsink back onto the CPU and GPU, aligning it with the screw holes. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier, ensuring it is tightly fastened but not overly so, as this can damage the components. Now it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws. Reinsert the battery, ensuring it clicks into place. Finally, reconnect your laptop to the power source and power it on. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Our professional diagnosis without obligation ensures you know exactly what needs to be done before any work is carried out. Plus, you'll receive a quote before repair, so there are no surprises. After powering on, monitor your laptop's performance. You should notice improved temperatures and overall efficiency. Regular maintenance, such as replacing thermal paste, can extend the life of your device significantly. If you encounter any issues or feel uncertain at any point, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. No calls, no travel. We make it easy for you. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.